Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io OneDrive integration error issues in 2026. So if Draw.io cannot connect to OneDrive, files won't open, or you're seeing authentication errors, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak connection can interrupt communication between Draw.io and OneDrive. Next, verify that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. Using the wrong account can prevent access to your diagrams and folders. Now disconnect and reconnect your OneDrive account inside Draw.io. This refreshes permissions and often resolves connection issues. Next, check if OneDrive is experiencing service problems. Temporary outages can prevent files from syncing or loading correctly. Now refresh Draw.io and try opening the file again. Sometimes a simple reload is enough to restore the connection. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using the web version. Corrupted browser data can interfere with account authentication. Now make sure Draw.io still has permission to access your OneDrive files. Expired or revoked permissions can block integration features. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with Microsoft login pages and cloud storage access. Now update your browser and Draw.io to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Finally, save a backup copy of your diagram, reconnect OneDrive, and test file access again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io OneDrive integration error issues. Now your files should connect and sync properly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.